Welcome to our video, Top 6 Gadgets for Home, Gaming, and Outdoor Adventures, Rugged Smartphones, Gaming Gear, and more. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below, so stick around to find the gadget that suits your lifestyle. Let's get started at number 6. Cyber 9 Smartphone. The Hotwave Cyber 9 Pro rugged smartphone is designed to thrive in tough environments while delivering premium features. Equipped with an MT6771 octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage, this device handles multitasking with ease. Its 6.3-inch HD Plus water drop display offers a resolution of 720 by 1520 and a brightness of 450 nits, making visuals vibrant even under sunlight. The Cyber 9 boasts a triple camera system with a 48-megapixel Samsung main sensor, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, ensuring every photo you take is detailed and captivating. Number 5. Floor One Washer. Keeping your home spotless has never been easier than with the Tyneco Floor One S3. This wireless electric mop is a game-changer for cleaning enthusiasts. Its smart cordless design eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, while the intelligent auto mode adjusts suction power for efficient cleaning. The device features a 0.5-liter detachable dust box, a powerful brushless motor for consistent suction, and an advanced self-cleaning mechanism to save you time. With a cleaning range of up to 150 square meters, it's perfect for large homes. The Tyneco Floor One S3 is more than a mop, it's an intelligent cleaning solution. Number 4. Motion Boom Speaker. The Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Bluetooth speaker brings powerful sound to any outdoor setting. Its titanium drivers extend the frequency range to 40 kHz, delivering crystal-clear audio even at high volumes. The IPX7 rated waterproofing ensures the speaker remains unharmed during poolside parties or rainy adventures. With a 10,000 mAh battery providing up to 24 hours of playtime, you'll never have to worry about interruptions. Plus, the customizable EQ via the Soundcore app lets you fine-tune your listening experience. Number 3. Electric Screwdriver. The WorkPro 3.6 volts electric screwdriver is a compact yet powerful tool that makes household repairs effortless. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, this screwdriver is designed for convenience. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, while the cordless functionality provides freedom of movement. Whether you're assembling furniture or fixing small appliances, this tool is a reliable partner. Number 2. EKSA E1000 Headset. The EKSA E1000 gaming headset is built for gamers who demand immersive sound and comfort. With 7.1 surround sound, this headset offers precise audio positioning, helping you locate enemies in competitive games. The RGB lighting enhances the gaming atmosphere, and the omnidirectional noise-canceling microphone ensures clear communication with your team. Designed with comfort in mind, the EKSA E1000 features breathable earmuffs and an adjustable headband, making long gaming sessions more enjoyable. Compatible with PS4, PS5, PC, and laptops, this headset delivers professional-grade performance for casual and hardcore gamers alike. Number 1. Impact Wrench Tool. The ProStormer Impact Wrench is a powerhouse for both household and professional tasks. Powered by a 21-volt brushless motor, this cordless torque wrench delivers impressive performance and reliability. With multiple sockets included, it's versatile enough to handle various jobs, from automotive repairs to heavy-duty construction work. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, while the rechargeable Li-ion battery provides extended runtime. The ProStormer Impact Wrench is the ultimate tool for anyone seeking precision and power in their work. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.